Let's go to Joshua Tree. I should also mention that it's Martin Luther King Jr. weekend. All the campsites are booked. We don't have a campsite. We don't have a plan. So hopefully we get a campsite. Wish us luck, we'll see. Alright y'all, so we went around different campsites. They were all packed. They're all full. Lots of people here this weekend. I didn't think this through, but let's just say we got kind of lucky because we found a spot. Not too shabby if you ask me. I mean, look, we're like right in between some rocks. No, I think this spot's perfect. I couldn't have asked for a better spot. And check this out, hold on. This is probably the best part. We have our own little arch. Come on now. I'm probably gonna sleep right there. We can explore these rocks. No, yeah. We got a great site. So this spot is a first come, first serve. So we left our things here and now have to go to like the entrance of the park to actually reserve it. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
This is feeling very claustrophobic.
What's that one movie, 128 Hours? With James Franco? All right, so now we're on a little hike. The goal is to make it over there, those rocks. Right, like look, see, like this is the eye right here. The nose would have been right there, but yeah, just missing the other spot. Kind of looks like a face or something. I've seen these in Mexico in the pyramids. Hey yo, did the Mayans come to Joshua Tree to do this? Time for a quick little snack. Water's almost ready. Let's go. Let me just say, this is not that sharp, but it still works. Okay. Ah! Shins. I'm gonna have the shin today. Next. Okay. Oh yeah. these edible? Is this a Joshua Tree blueberry? That looks like the rock from the Lion King. But look, that's like the Lion King. I gotta get up there. What's over there? Let's see. Highway. Whoa. It looks like so majestic. Hold on. Come over here. Wait. Well, well, well. This is so cool. We are back.
We made mashed potatoes with sopita and some meat.
A little bit of everything. Oh, that cheese. I give that 5 big booms. Oh, dang, it's so cold. So cold, the oil just freaking solidified. Got some pre-made longaniza potatoes and sausage ling. Got some rice. Come on now. treads on it. Order up.
Thank you.
Bone apple tea. Off, off. Oh, yeah, put some on mine too. Thank you. All right, so we got a little sidetracked. Someone got a pen,
It's so cute.
and I got a new hat.
What are you doing?
How much should my leader be? That was like 2 feet, no? We'll see. We'll see. You see it? Oh. Oh. Let's see, let's see. I don't feel anything. Oh, I got one, I got one. I'm on one.
That one?
Looks like. Unless I'm stuck.
There's a lot of weeds right here, about like 10 feet out.
Wait.
That's why when I reel in, I try to go fast.
Okay.
Don't get caught.
Damn, I might have got caught. Damn. That was it. I tried to hook set and everything. That was a good one, though. Come on, bro. It's the wind. I swear I saw like a little twitch, not a wave twitch, but like a little one. I haven't made the base smaller.
I think it's not moving.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, mine shoots too. The waves.
Look, it's kind of twitchy. It twitched right now. Guys, Let me know in the comments what that means. Look, it's moving, bro. Okay, that's probably the waves.
Look, you're running in
But I already made it tighter.
the.
Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fucking got him. I hope. He's probably just a wait. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, last cast. Got one. Got one. Last cast of the day. No, yeah. You're my good luck charm. Oh, nice. No, yeah. That's why I waited. I told her that we're gonna leave at 3, but I was trying to get some extra time. Let's go, baby. Nice.
Yeah, so much. It's a pretty fish.
No, yeah. Literally my last cast.
Really?
I told her.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
That's dinner right there.
Make it